Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove CapCut Template Watermark. If you want to use a template from CapCut but you don't want a watermark attached to the video, you can follow my steps here. So let's first just launch the CapCut application. So you know that CapCut templates are a pre-created videos editing by other CapCut creators that you can easily use to recreate the videos and apply effects or maybe filter text or music directly. So here let's just go to the templates tab, and here you can just find the templates that you want to use. You can explore in here. There are lots of variety of templates that you can use for your videos. You can use for example, this one, it needs 6 footages, so it might be different. That depends on the creator itself. This one is only need 1 footage, so just choose the one that you want. For example, here let's try to use this one's right here. You can tap okay, this one, I think I'm going to just use the one footage. You can tap on use template, find the photos or videos that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Tap on next, and here is the preview. You can edit or adjust it again if you want to. You can click on a photo or video. You can apply AI effect. You can crop it if you want to adjust the position. Click on a check icon. You can also replace music if you want to. Then at the top right corner of the template, you can see there will be CapCut watermark attached. So what if you don't want that, you don't want to have that watermark? Let's just click on export first, and in here you'll see this option. So if you want to change the quality, click on this, and if you want to remove the watermark, don't click on this one, but instead of click on this one, you can click on the one with CapCut. Let's try again. Sorry, the one export without watermark with the TikTok icon. Click on that. So when you do that, it will automatically switch to the TikTok app. If you want to post it into TikTok directly, you can do so. But if you don't want it, you can just go back to the CapCut application, but your video will still be saved to your gallery or album. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.